iconic or a flop? I don't know. We're gonna open this together. We're gonna find out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Rhonda, and I gotta give a big shout out to Shane and Pepper Candle Company. If you guys watched my last unboxing of the Ipsy, or BoxyCharm by Ipsy and the Ipsy Glam Bag, I was talking about the ShanePepper.com or Shane and Pepper Foundation. It's a candle company, but the foundation is actually founded by a 15-year-old entrepreneur that is a neurodivergent with cerebral palsy, and with the grace of the man upstairs and social media, they went from having to shut down their store to things are looking up. So I'm gonna have all information for the Shane and Pepper Candle Company down below. Definitely look into it, do your little research on it. I'm telling you, it is a great foundation to support, and it just makes my heart so happy that they are thriving thanks to social media. So if you're new to the channel, hello, welcome. My name is Rhonda. I am a cat mom now, and yeah, the litter box is in the background. It is what it is, okay? Anyways, we are gonna be opening the Ipsy the Ipsy Icon box. They did send this over in PR. I honestly was not expecting it, so I'm really excited to get to unbox it for you guys. Before we get into the unboxing, I do want to say a big thank you to my YouTube members for helping to continue to support the channel. To those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, thank you guys so much. To each and every single one of you that keep returning, hitting that like button, commenting, and sharing me over on Facebook, can I just say a big huge thank you. I can't tell you guys enough how much I appreciate you. I also have a couple other channels I'll have linked down below for you guys. Hotmess Momma Vlogs, I do Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there, and a Hotmess in the House, which I've changed the name over there, random stuff over there. And of course, Haley and I do have a podcast called Unconditional Hot Mess. You can find us on Spotify as well as on YouTube, and I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmommabusiness. All right, let's go ahead and jump on in. Now, the Icon box is actually a quarterly box, so this is not something you're going to find every single month. You do get to help customize it, and then they do pick a celebrity or makeup artist to pick their favorites out, if you will, for the box. So, oh yay, I did get a pamphlet this time. Sometimes we don't get pamphlets, so we're kind of winging it. So this time they did the box with Gwen Stefani, which taught me how to teach Haley how to spell bananas. B-A-N-A, yeah, okay. Anyways, anybody else? Yeah, that's how I taught my kids, actually, all of them, how to spell bananas. Not that it was ever a spelling word, but we made it one. All right, so anyways, she is having her picks in this box, and then of course you get to pick as well when it comes to the Icon box. So let's start off with, I've never heard of this brand before. I'm not gonna say it, but it looks like it is a heat protector cream. Yeah, heat protective hair cream. So I'm all about that. I mean, I don't really put too much heat on my hair other than like I'll hair dry it a little bit, but it's always good to get extra hydration. Next in here, we've got the KVD full sleeve long and defined tubing mascara. Did you know they came out with one? I'll be honest with you guys, I don't know what it is about tubing mascaras. I've never really been a fan of them, but I feel like Haley loves a tubing oh. Okay, so I don't know. I'm doing it again. It's just stop. Haley really likes tubing mascaras. Specifically like the Thrive one, but this one kind of looks promising. It's not pokey looking. I don't know. Maybe I'll try it out. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll just gift it right over to Haley. But there is the first item. What is this? The Maison Louise Marie number 13. Oh, it's a perfume. Oh, that smells nice. Let's give it a minute. That's like a nice clean scent. I like that. Okay, I was a little nervous, but that does smell nice. I can't say I've ever heard of this brand, but I'm sure it's really bougie and expensive. Have you guys ever heard of it? Alright, so the notes in here, it's made in the USA, Maison Louise Marie. Top notes. Okay, so I'm gonna just do this because there's a lot going on here. And I'm a slow reader, so here you go. So those are the notes, top, middle, and base notes and everything. So there you go. Have you guys ever heard of this? I mean, like I said, it's soft and clean with like a hint of a bouncy ball. Okay, you know those rubber bouncy balls you get out of the gumball machine? Maybe it's just my skin. I mean, it smells good. But then the after is like a rubber bouncy ball. I don't know. Okay, moving on. Next we have the Ren Skincare Glycolactic Radiance Renewal Mask. So it's going to brighten and smooth. My skin has legitimately been going through it with like the cold and dry air. So like my rosacea, everything has really kicked up. So that's been real fun to deal with. But I do like Ren Skincare a lot. Next in here, we've got, I think this is her collab or something, her line, the GXVE. What is this? Ooh, it's a Line It Up 24-hour gel pencil. Was this with Urban Decay? I'm probably embarrassing myself. I mean, I don't know where I'll ever use that, but it's really pretty. That's like really pretty. My battery's dying. I mean, maybe I'll do something with it, but it's really pretty. All right, next in here, we've got the ABH Brow Freeze. I have been really into like what little bit of brows I do have because anxiety life, I love like sticking them up. But you get like the brow freeze and then you get the little wand that you need for it as well. Next in here, once again, is the Original Me High Performance Matte Stick. Ooh, it's actually pretty. When I think of Gwen Stefani, I think like bold red lips, which are pretty, look great on her. That's fun. Ooh, I love this color. This is so pretty. It's called Tragic Me. Yes. Yes, I will totally wear that. That makes me so excited. That's like fun. And then we have the Dominique Essentials palette. I don't actually have this palette, so I'm really excited. I don't think I do. Let me see. No, I don't think I do. This is pretty. It totally reminds me of back at the, what was that called? KKW? Was that her skincare before? Kind of reminds me of one of her palettes that I have, but that's really pretty, and I really like Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow formula. It's really, really nice. This color, Grateful, that's pretty. I've been doing so much swatching. Okay, so my husband just came up. My battery is dying, so I am gonna hop off. But that is everything in the Ipsy Icon box for February. Could not remember. It's probably gonna cut out. As far as everything goes in here, I'm definitely excited to try a lot of these products out, but let me know what you are picking for your Ipsy Icon. What are your thoughts of having Gwen as a celebrity for this box? I did not see it coming, guys, so I think it's pretty cool personally. Anyways, definitely make sure to check my description box down below. Check out Shane and Pepper, their candle, their story, their foundation, and once again, check me out on my other channels. And if you want to sign up for the Ipsy Icon, I will have an affiliate link down below. Thank you if you do use it. Thank you guys so much if you do share this video. Let me know your thoughts of the items that are in this box. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. I really thought the battery was gonna die. It in fact did not die, and I rushed right through that. All right, let me know, what was your favorite item in here? I'm gonna go with these two. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.